Trashtalks! Oh, hey. Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, what's up, y'all? As y'all can see from the title, we got a shoe unboxing. We got 2 shoes today. So, if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, turn on your post notifications so that way, if you want to see what videos I have in the future, you guys know about it. And yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna actually take these off, but I'm loving what they giving. You feel me? It's giving like, what's the thing from Bumblebee from Transformers? And it's like matching the thing. I didn't do this on purpose, I promise you. But I'm gonna take these off. Alright, so today we have 2 shoe unboxings. I don't know how I bought 2 shoes. Who the hell do I think I am? I am not rich. Okay? Just letting it be known. I actually donated a lot of clothing, sold some clothing, so I was just like in a good mood. And when I'm in a good mood, give it to me, y'all. Give it to me now! Oh, I almost bought 3 pair of shoes, but we're gonna keep it cute. I got 2. So I actually have one of these shoes already. Just got another color. So, oh, by the way, I went to WISH ATL down in Little 5 Points. They had them. I didn't have to wait no line. I didn't have to do anything crazy. Just walked in and got my shoes. Yeah, so this is like a Yeezy haul almost. Because, well, I won't call it a haul because I didn't buy like a whole bunch of shoes. But I actually have on my Yeezy slides right now. And the ones that I already had were these. I think these are called like Azalea. I think I have a past video of me unboxing these or showing you guys these. So this was the color that I had prior to. And they're so comfortable. I really wanted them in black, but once I seen the black, I was like, damn, I don't want them to get ashy. Plus, I already had purchased another pair of black shoes. So I just went ahead and got these ones. Now, I did wear them yesterday, but dang, aren't they so cool? So, I actually really like these. I love the fact that they came out with this color. It's like a bone color. What's it called? Right, it's called Monsal. I'm gonna just call it like a bone yellow. It's almost like a canary yellow, but not like super, super bright. Like, this is like a mustard yellow. It matches this perfectly, except this is a little more muted. Again, as I mentioned before in our first Yeezy video, this bone structure is what really captures my attention. I love that it doesn't have a shoelace. Like, I don't have to tie anything. I could just slide my foot in. This part I was afraid of at first because I was like, damn, this is gonna be like all of my ankle. But it's really not. It's actually super comfortable. It's almost like your foot slides in and it just rests right in this little pocket. So it's cool. It's a lightweight shoe. It's one of my favorite Yeezy. Outside of these bad boys, these are so comfortable. I work out in these. Not to work out like super heavy in them, but it's like light workout sprints. I don't really do too much jogging, but if I'm gonna do like a treadmill or something, I'll wear these. But these 350s are my favorite, and it's my favorite color. So. Damn, I done showed y'all 3 Yeezys already. 4. I got these, and these. So let's get to the last one. Now this one, when I seen it, I was like, it looks like a basketball shoe. And then I seen the shoebox and I was like, it's a basketball shoe. So here they are. These are the basketball Yeezys. Where the hell are they getting these colors from? A Neglo. Now I haven't worn these, but I've tried them on and I got an interesting story about it. So initially when I saw them, I was like, damn, they look like basketball shoes, but I really saw them because the color was green. It kind of looks like the 350, except a little, obviously it's taller. It looks like more of a sock shoe, like a Balenciaga or a Vetements shoe, except this one is just like a low top version. This one is a high top version and less rigidity because this has those riggets. This one doesn't. It looks like a basketball shoe. So I was like, damn, I really want it because the color was green. The laces look nice. I love how this extended up top. It had like support in the back. Plus this looks like the other Yeezy mixed with, it's like they mixed the Yeezys together. They mixed the 350s with all 5 of the other ones, I guess. But with this one have a high top sock. Now, here's the thing. This shoe is extremely uncomfortable to get your foot in. Like, trying to stick it in there, it really, I have a video of when I was at WISH. I was trying to get it in there, and it damn near, it took me like 4 minutes to put my foot in there. once you get in there, it's super comfortable. I know that sounds like so backwards, but oh, it kind of sounds like the first time I had. Never mind. Yeah, took me a little minute to get inside, but once I got inside, it was so comfortable, and yeah, I really love them. They're really cool. They're really nice. They're soft. I can't wait to wear them out. I'm probably gonna wear them with shorts and like a flannel, or a shirt. Just, you know, I'll probably obviously post to Instagram. So if you don't follow me here, follow me on Instagram at _Trashtalks. Also follow me here too. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, please. And yeah, that's the video. Try not to make these shoe unboxings too long because what all are we talking about? The same exact thing, but I really like these. I love the fact that these Yeezys are like having like this universal bottom like thing. I think Adidas is doing a great job with Yeezys. And I thought I would... I thought these words would never come in my mouth, but most of my shoes are Yeezys now. So I think I'm gonna have a straight either Yeezy collection, or it's probably gonna be like Yeezy high-end shoes like Balenciaga, Vetements, Bottega, and Jordan 1s. Those are like my favorite shoes. Jordan 1s, Yeezys, all types of Yeezys, because there's just not one that's my favorite. I love them. The foam runners are like literally my life. And I got a secret coming up with the foam runners, so stay tuned. And yeah, I don't want to talk too much. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video. If this was your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also turn on your post notifications so when I post a video, you guys know about it. I hope you guys enjoy my unboxing. Come back and see me for the next one. I love you, and as always, until next time, I'm out.